Welcome to Section 4 in Unit 2, where we'll look at integers in context. Now, integers are used in daily life in various contexts. For example, when you listen to the forecast, the meteorologist will certainly represent temperatures as positive or negative values. If you're talking about elevation, like the height of something, sea level is what we mark as 0, and anything above sea level is a positive number, and anything below sea level is a negative number. Now in finances, there are lots of different terms that can be represented using integers. If a business reports a profit for the year, that is positive. If there's a loss, that is negative. If you deposit money into the bank, that would be a positive. If you withdraw, you take money out, that would be a negative. If you earn money, spend money, if you owe someone money, there are integers that are used daily in the world of finance. And it could also be any other situation where you want to represent opposites, up and down. If you go up an elevator and then come down an elevator, you can use positive and negative values for this. Two people walking in opposite directions, one going left, one going right, could be represented by positive, negative values. Even rising and falling populations. So integers are often used in daily life in various contexts. So here we have to represent each situation with an integer. So in A we have the statement that says the temperature is 6 degrees Celsius below 0. So the key word here is below, so that means we can represent this with the integer -6 degrees Celsius. Now an elevator rises 4 floors, that means going up, so we can represent that with a positive number. In C, a diver descends 5 meters in the water. Descends means to go down. Ascends means to go up. So because we're going down here, we can say -5 meters. Now in D, Walter received $25 for his birthday. So let's definitely represent it with a positive number. If he spends it, then we'd use a negative for that. And the price of gas drops 0.3 cents a liter. So because it drops, we can represent that with a negative. Now here's another example. In golf, par represents how many strokes it should take to hit the ball in the hole. Now during a game, 3 friends had the following scores. One person had 2 under par, someone else had 3 over par, and the other person had 4 under par. Let's represent each situation with an integer, and then arrange these from least to greatest. Well, because it's 2 under par, we will represent that with a -2. 3 over par is a +3, and 4 under is -4. Now in terms of writing them least to greatest, you can use a number line to help you. You would see that -4 is the smallest number here, followed by -2, and the largest number is +3. So that concludes our short introduction to integers in context. You can now move on to the next video in this lesson.